So guys, on this video I will show you how you can make $20, and to sign up on this website you will get $5 for just signing up on those websites. Let us just head over to this website. I have talked about this website on this my YouTube channel, and many people have used it. I hope you too can use this method and try to use it to make free money online. So let us head over to this website, and you'll find the website here as normally. You just need to scroll down. So this is the website, which is called Honeygain. You can see it. I already blog about it. The link will be the first link to get to this website. So like I said, this is the website, Honeygain, and just click on join. So once you click on join, it will take you to this page where we tell you congratulations for using referral link. You are eligible for you are eligible to claim $5. Click button now below, which is claim $5. Now once you click it, you can register, enter your Gmail and password, and you verify your account. You are good to go. So what you do with this application, which is called Honeygain, is that you just install it on your smartphone. Only what you need for to run this application on your smartphone is just your internet connection. So that is what you do. So if I click on claim now, it will take me to where I'm going to register, enter my information, and so it directly take me to my own account because I'm already using Honeygain. So if you have not start using Honeygain, it will not look like this. So as you can see, it's on browser. That is why you can see everything like this. So as you can see, currently right now I have $8.74 on my account, but I need more almost $11 to be able to cash out my earning. So yeah, so the minimum amount to cash out on Honeygain is $20, which is what you can see at the top here, at the bottom of this yellow button, or at the top of this yellow button. You will just see it here. So how you can cash out on Honeygain is on PayPal. So if you have PayPal account, you are good to go to use Honeygain to make money. So you can cash out either by PayPal or Bitcoin, or you can use Honeygain payment method. It just depends on how you want to use your payment. So once you reach the minimum amount of cashing out, you can see this blue, this yellow button will be clickable, will become blue. So you can click on it and you can cash out your money. So it's very simple. I don't need to show you anything here. And other way you can make money with Honeygain is the referral program. So as you can see, I have referred a lot of people on this program. If I click on the referral link, it will pop this up and I will copy the link. You can see I will earn 10%, and there's a promo that is going on now, which if I do, if I share this link, copy this link and share it, I will make extra cash 3 times more of what I'm making before. So yeah, so you can go and start using Honeygain now because they have a promo going on. So that is what I want to say. Just copy the link, share it. Normally you will be making 10% from anyone that you refer to this program. As long as the person is using Honeygain, you are going to be making money from that your referral. So that is how it works. Let me show you Honeygain application on my smartphone so that you see how it look once you have it. So as you can see guys, this is the application which is called Honeygain, and this is how it will look on your smartphone. If I click on it now, it will open up, and all I just need to do is to make sure I have my internet connection and I'm logging on this application which is Honeygain. So it mine cash for you, it mine coin. You can convert the coin into point into cash, which is paper. So like what I said, the minimum amount of cashing out is on paper, so you don't need to worry. Once you get your money, paper is available worldwide, and if it's not available you can use Bitcoin. So it's very simple, and just try it out. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below, and if you like this video, you know what to do. Just smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I'll keep on making more free ways that you can use to make money from your smartphone. So let me show you the money I've received, just to show you proof that I've made money from this website. I will click on. So once I click on this button here, it will take us here. I will click on transaction history, and once I click on transaction history here, you will see that I have cashed out $20. So it just keep on going. So that is to just show you proof that I've make money with this application, which is called Honeygain. What I want you to do is to go try it out. Please leave me a comment in the comment section below if you really watch this video to the end, and if you use this application. Leave me a comment. Just tell me that I use it. If you did not use it, tell me that you did not use it, so that I will make other video that you can use to make money just like Honeygain. Just leave me a comment in the comment section below.